Go.
Here we have a Keifer, all aluminum trailer. It's a 97 model. It's 30 foot long, 8 wide, 6'6" tall. It's got one cut gate in it, one escape door. It's got your 17.5 tires on it. They're nice set of tires. Got let's go to the inside of it. He's got good rubber on them, looks like. Got the aluminum wheel covers. Open it up. Okay, we're going to walk up in here. Guys, it's got one door up here for storage. That's in the neck. I'll give you the dimensions here on the front divider. You got 14 foot in the front gate divider. We'll put that there in the rear. You got 14, this gate's right in the middle. It's a 28 foot trailer, 14 foot in front of this gate, 14 foot in the rear. We're going to close it up now. You've also got a gate here now. It's been reinforced in the rear and it's done a very good job. They put brackets up here, right here on the inside, show them.
They can see it.
Here and right here. They've done a super job. They've reinforced the gate here and right here. Everything closes up nicely. "28-foot Keifer, title's in order. Got 4-wheel brakes. They said this thing pulls like a dream. It's also got vents here in the front, guys. Right here, you can open these up and let air in. You got 2 of these. Your 2 5/16 ball on it. Pretty trailer.